Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering, bringing you a down and dirty unboxing of Aquamaxx Prism II Aquarium Marine Light. Inside the box, you'll have an instruction manual and Prism II LED light. The accessory box will have a power supply, a controller, 2 Allen keys, and 2 separate stand components. Putting the light together is simplistic. Just follow the manual with a magnifying glass. Yes, a magnifying glass. I just don't understand why they don't put an easily readable manual or at minimum a supplemental manual with the package. Anyway, I digress. But it will all come together very nicely in no time at all. The controller has 4 buttons: OK, back, minus, and plus. Now the first thing we need to do is set the time. To wake up the controller, hold the OK button for 3 seconds. Now to unlock the controller, hold the back button for 3 seconds. Once the controller is unlocked, press the plus button to access the menu and continue pressing it until you reach the settings. Once you're at the settings, press OK. Now you will see set clock. Press OK. Now press the minus or plus buttons to adjust the hour. Once you have the hour, press OK. Now press the minus or plus buttons to adjust the minutes. Once you have the minutes set, press OK. Now the time is set. Press the back button until you get back to the main menu. You're done with setting up the time. Now we move on to the lighting schedule. If locked, hold the back button for 3 seconds to unlock the controller. Now press the plus button to access the menu bar and continue to push until you reach quick set. Now press the OK button. Press the plus button to scroll and select one of the 4 preset light settings. Press the OK button again, and now the light setting is selected. Press the back button to go back to the menu. I selected the LPS Large Polyp Stony Coral 15K because my reef tank is mainly LPS and soft corals with a few fish or invertebrates. The Aquamaxx Prism II is a very well built and thought out LED marine light. One negative is the controller. It should have the ability to also be app-based, making it visually simplistic on adjusting the lighting schedule. I would recommend this aquarium light, and I also will be using it on my 29-gallon reef tank budget build. Ole ole! If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.